Today I'm taking a look at this blade set here. These are a little bit different, but they're made to fit these oscillating tools, and these things are really cool. I got one right here on here, and I just want to show you how easy they fit. Multiple type tool sizes, but again, it's like anything else. You know, they fit. They're very universal. They're going to fit a lot of different things. You can put it on there. You can change the direction just like any other tool. But what is cool about it is this shape here. And what this is designed to do is you can use this to push like a carving knife and this to pull back like a carving knife. Let me just show you on this 2x4 right here. So if I wanted to carve on this side here, you can see how quickly that cuts into that. Very, very nicely. Now, the same thing goes if you want to go away from you. It's the same thing, only you're just using the other side of that blade. So very, very handy. I like the push one better, but you can see this thing, I really like it for this part of it here. There is multiple other uses for this besides just the edge of a piece of board. If you're trying to get in behind something and cut it off, then you got this hook shape here. But just multiple uses. And of course, like the other tools that go on these zipper things, you can change it in whatever position you want when you use it. And you can see clearly it is compatible with a DeWalt, this oscillating tool here. Now, these guys are nice enough to send these out to me. This box here has got, oh, I don't know, 5 or 6 in there, whatever. And I want to thank them for sending out these things. You know, they're going to have like a specialty use, but when you need to get into a tight area, something with that little hook is going to make a big difference. So I want to thank these guys for sending these out to me so I could do this review. Okay, it's a six-piece set here. And I really appreciate the fact that they were willing to do that so I can use these because they're going to come in handy, but also show you a little bit about them, and you can determine whether or not these are right for you. But certainly they have their use. They're kind of a specialty tool for the oscillating tools, but they are going to come in very, very handy for certain circumstances. So I want to thank these guys for sending these out to me. I really appreciate it. And hopefully this short video helps you out and you can determine whether or not these are right for you. But they get 2 thumbs up from me very easily.